So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the air we breathe. And the pollutants, that's the substances which produce the pollution, are the airborne particulate matter, otherwise will be called as PM, and the gaseous pollutants. This can be ozone, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides include nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen oxide. All these form the air pollution. Ambient air pollution consists of mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous compounds, includes over 40 toxic substances, and these substances can be from a variety of sources which can be man-made as well as natural. Natural will be some fires, natural fires. Man-made, we know it's the construction industry, the vehicles, the dust created by sweeping, etc. The more widespread threat is because of the particulate matter, which itself is a mixture of solid and liquid aerosols. This is mostly from fossil fuel combustion, transportation, industry, resuspended materials and episodic sources such as wildfires, smokes and volcanic eruptions. Though the last two are not very common with us, you find that even recently there was a wildfire in California. So, having said this, particulate matter is of importance to us, we will be seeing about them. It is classified into particulate matter 10, where the aerodynamic size is less than 10 millimicrons. Coarse particles are between 2.5 and 10 microns, fine particles are less than 2.5 microns, ultra fine particles are less than 100 nanomicrons. Although all the sizes are harmful, it is the much smaller the particle, the more the harm, because they are able to penetrate into the lungs very easily, get where they get deposited, they interact with the defense mechanisms in the lung. They overcome that and pass directly into the circulatory system, from which they can get distributed in different parts of the bodies. This is a pictorial representation. These are the smaller particles less than 2.5 and coarse is 2.5 to 10, and particulate matter 10 includes both the coarse as well as the fine particles. Coming to gaseous pollutions, as mentioned earlier, it can be sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, carbon monoxide and ozone. Again, here the sources can be natural and man-made. As mentioned earlier, the natural sources can be forest fires, burning waste, etc. And it can be from the exhaust of a car or can be from the chimneys of factories which are sending out a lot of pollution into the air. It is not only outdoor, even indoor you find that pollution can be in form of cigarettes, smoking. Nowadays you are not supposed to smoke in the public places, so many of them start smoking at home, preferable to avoid that. And we use lot of substances without our knowledge which can produce air pollution. We use lot of perfumes, sprays, we use hairsprays, we use perfumes, we use deodorants, and then we use insecticide repellents, and all these can also produce air pollution indoors. And if you are using firewood or charcoal to cook, then that also adds to the pollution. Though charcoal and fire are not used nowadays in the urban, many of the rural households still continue to use this inside the house also. When you see outdoor pollution, you know the first source is from, in the indoor pollution can become an outdoor pollution and escapes through the chimneys, especially the cooking material, the burning of firewood, charcoal, etc. can be from the factories, refineries, car exhausts and refineries. So, all these can produce, forest fires can be a natural source of outdoor pollution.